What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? We have a little bit of a different video today. One of the reasons why I'm actually in the diesel today in the Duramax, and put the GTP away for the day for this special little thing that we're going to be doing. We're actually waiting for a buddy of mine. His name is Bryce, but he actually has a YouTube channel called Daily Beaten Diesel. Go check him out, subscribe. He makes some content. He's big on TikTok as well. But we're waiting for him to show up. I wanted to invite him out to do some diesel fun with me. We have Sky with us. And now he's going home. Well, we're actually at Dunkin' Donuts waiting for Bryce to show up. And once he shows up, we're going to be heading to a little event that's local to me that I kind of thought would be fun to do and to show off some cool trucks. So let's wait for Bryce to show up, and then we'll get moving here, guys.
Pit Viper's on?
Look at him! Look at him, that piece of junk! That's so funny.
So it's silver.
This guy, I kid you not, this guy puts anything in his gas, in his fuel tank. He'll put dish detergent in his fuel tank. Oh, he got his phone out. He's fucking YouTubing.
Diablo Formula Racing.
He is YouTubing. Check him out, guys. Check him out.
And his truck that he thinks will beat the Cummins.
Oh, this truck. You hear this kid already? Already talking smack, thinking that 24 valve Cummins is gonna beat this Duramax that makes tons of horsepower. It ain't gonna happen.
No?
Keep wishful thinking, buddy.
Alright.
Ain't gonna happen, boss. You get anything to eat?
Yeah.
Are you good to go?
You get anything yet?
I already did, yeah. My kid already walked in.
Alright, I'll probably grab a donut.
All right, go grab some. We're waiting.
Alright.
And we'll leave with your Pit Vipers.
Sounds good. They're gonna sponsor me. You watch.
Oh, Pit Viper's gonna sponsor you. You need a few more subscribers, buddy. Well, guys, while Bryce is in there ordering his food, I'm gonna let you know what we're doing today. We are actually going to be going to the Standout Specialties in Stevens, PA. They're having an open house today and a truck and car show. I wanted to bring the bird too, but unfortunately, Zach is not here. He's a PT and he couldn't drive the bird, so I decided, since it is mainly a truck shop, I would just bring the good old diesel and invite Bryce out with me as well to show him what it's like to basically YouTube and go and make a YouTube video. Basically an opportunity for him to make a YouTube video about something other than what he's doing, something a little different, get him used to the outside YouTube world. I know when I first started doing YouTube, I was kind of hesitant to hold a camera out in front of people and stuff, and it took some time to get used to, so I'm kind of helping him along in his YouTube career path, whatever you want to call it, to see if it's something he likes to do or whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna check out the show. Hopefully there's gonna be a ton of awesome trucks there. There's gonna be vendors there. I think they're doing a wheel giveaway as well. I'm not really sure how long I'm gonna stay, but we'll see how it all works out. We'll go in the shop, show you some of the wheels that they offer. I've been there before with Sen and Steve in the past, so I know what the shop looks like already and stuff, but show you some of the trucks they have there as well. So once Bryce gets out of Dunkin' Donuts here, which is taking forever, we'll head up the road here, guys, and check out some cool diesel trucks. All right, we're here at Standout Specialties
My wife Alicia
with their little meet. Bryce is over here being Bryce.
I got Pit Vipers on my license.
Let me see. Don't show your address.
You want to see some rust fall off my truck?
Send me fan mail, I can see the address.
I'm gonna start recording and get some of these trucks in the video.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can have my rust in the video. We whacking it.
Oh, hey.
Wham! Yeah, mine's back too.
Is that how you drive this thing?
What?
Is that how you drive it?
Yeah, sure. We'll go with that. Does your YouTube want a sneak peek at a TikTok?
TikTok sucks. Nobody in their right mind has TikTok.
I got TikTok.
I have
Follow
TikTok.
me on TikTok, Daily Beaten Diesel, buddy.
Daily Bean
LU
Diesel.
Murphy 7538 22K paid.
Wait, say again?
I have 22K on TikTok.
No, say your name again, because that was like way too
LU
fast.
Murphy 7538.
Okay. Go check them out. Check them out, guys. All these TikTokers around here. I got TikTok too, so. All right, well, let's show you some trucks, guys.
You want to see it? Stickers on the back window.
Okay, I'll put it in there. You didn't get a sticker for yours. Do you have a sticker for yours yet?
No, Kevin's gonna make me one.
Is he? All right, cool. All right, well, we're gonna walk around. Got some Chevys. Seems like everybody has wide tires and wheels here except for me. Nice Denali HD. GMC, Ford with an any lift on it. What's that? There's Standout Specialty Shop. There's a good amount of trucks here, I'm not gonna lie. Not a lot of trucks, but definitely a lot of nice different trucks. I'm gonna show you that Ford over there in a bit. That's actually really freaking awesome. And then the white truck next to it, that's also pretty awesome. I would definitely want to put that in the video, because when that pulled in, I was like, that's pretty dang cool. Pretty dang cool. Oh yeah. So got this Chevy here, looks like a rough country lift kit. As you guys know, I have a rough country on my truck as well, and it's freaking amazing. The one thing I was thinking about getting for my truck were these kicker bars back here, these traction bars. I might possibly look into getting them. I'm not really sure if I need them for a diesel, to be honest, but not for a diesel. Not sure if I really need them for a C8. More stuff's pulling in. Not sure if I really need them for a dually, but you know, who knows? Maybe I do, maybe I don't, but I wouldn't mind putting them in. You got a C8 over there. We'll be looking at that then when it's coming in.
Oh, the bus is coming in.
It looks like there's a diesel. Oh, I know who that is. I know who that is. This guy likes lights. He's all about the lights. I'm kind of interested in these wheels, to be honest. They're kind of cool. And we have a bus. He's living his best life. We have a C8 vet coming in. There's a whole bunch of people coming in now. It's like a little crew.
There's a dually there. That's nice. Lowered.
Lowered dually. We got a Supra. I was actually talking to this gentleman. He visits a bar that I like to visit on occasion. And we got this cool thing here. Look at that. C8 vet. There's a Supra. A little bit better picture of the Supra. This thing's cool on airbags. Very interesting build. Very interesting build. Clean Cummins. Don't stare, it's rude. And this thing is freaking titties. I love this thing. This thing is so cool. I like the old school look is what I like about it. Freaking nice. Very nice. Don't know what engine's in it, but very cool build. Very cool build. Another Ford. Food's here. Got about 20 pizzas, which is awesome. Lots of pizzas. I think I seen this in their shop the one day in the back. They were putting it together still. Definitely looked like a clean turnout of a build on that thing. Very nice. And I almost brought my car, but I didn't. Here's a good G8. Actually, two G8s. Two of them. I do like these cars. These are nice. Family mobiles. That's what I call them. Family mobiles.
Would you own one?
I would own one of these in a heartbeat, dude. You know you would be like, Dad, let's take the G8. Or an SS. A Chevy SS would be a nice car to drive around into. More trucks over here.
Now this truck right here.
This one here?
That one.
The 350, I like it.
That's a beauty.
It's a very nice build.
250.
Single cab, or 250, I'm sorry.
Get it
Single
right.
cab setup, look at that.
Probably rolls full like crazy.
Maybe out of the pipe, yeah. Should I do that with my Duramax?
Yes.
No, I'm not doing that with my
We're
Duramax.
stacked.
Definitely not.
Picture the boys having a social right now.
Another Chevy, green type.
Look at the dog.
Yeah, and we got dogs. Dogs are here today. Sorry about the wind noise. If you hear wind noise, not my fault. It's the weather's fault.
Our fault.
Yeah.
Still on this camera.
Got the old Dirty Max.
The best truck here, obviously.
Yeah, the best truck here. There's some trucks over here too. Let's see them. Got my flags going. My rough country flag poles representing. Look at that. Got my Blackbeard flag. My no step on snack. You like what?
Old Ford.
The Chevy? You like the old Chevy?
The Ford.
New Chevy?
The Ford.
International Harvest. So we've got an issue that needs a tissue.
Hey, it runs.
It's, I mean, listen, if it's holding the gas tank up, man, that's fine. Yeah, you definitely need those posts in there, buddy.
Yeah.
110% need those posts in there.
Hey, I'm putting money into it.
Yeah, there you go.
It's gonna get fixed.
I'm gonna go check out this C8.
Yeah, it looks, I like the color.
Let's go check out the C8. Oh, the kid was revving it. That's awesome.
Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
Going.
Good. How are you?
Good.
Beautiful wrap. I love the color, dude.
Thank you. Yeah,
Love the color.
Definitely stands out, huh?
It definitely does, yeah. I like the shifting in it too.
Oh yeah.
Like how it shifts different, like shading.
Originally, this wrap is it's originally a matte color, and then we
Okay.
ceramic coated the top of it.
Nice.
It's satin, and it gives that color shift.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Anything done to it or just stock?
It's got just the exhaust right now because still can't tune them.
Oh, yeah, you can.
Well,
There's a somebody
there is
just
a
came out with,
company,
they just came out with
they
them.
put out, but they're not like releasing anything.
Yeah, they're not releasing it yet. They're going to. It's only a matter of time before HP Tuners catches on again.
Oh yeah.
And these things, we'll be able to start tuning these things, no problem.
Once that happens, I'm gonna go.
It's going to be on like Donkey Kong for
I'm
the
gonna
twin
go
turbo
big
guys.
A lot of people want the twin turbo.
Yeah.
But I had the Z06 coming, so I think
Oh, do you?
I'm gonna throw the big cam in.
Nice.
Yeah, so very excited. Fun car though.
I bet.
For what it is.
Yeah, I bet it is, man. Bet it is. All right, we're gonna go buy some pizza. Sky's hungry,
And get some tickets.
and we're getting some tickets to win some free wheels for the Dirty Max. Hopefully we win.
Giveaway?
We don't know. We don't know. Let's go up here and get some stuffs. Yeah, I think I got a piece of metal in my eye last night at shop. Alrighty. And they're buying like whole pizzas. There ain't gonna be no pizza left. Alright, go where you got? Go get your junk.
2 pizzas?
Yeah, get 2 slices and tickets and stuff.
2 slices? Did you guys already get tickets or no?
Nah, that's first time.
Here you go. Just fill out the one side and then put the one side in here that you got and keep the blank side.
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah.
We're gonna see what kind of wheels you're gonna win.
What?
You're gonna win the wheels, right? You gonna put them on your tricycle?
Yeah. Okay, you gotta fill one side out.
Oh, okay. What do we do with them?
We gotta fill one side
Let me
out.
see. So these are winning tickets right here. Right there.
Hopefully winning. All 8.
All 4 of them.
All 8.
We're gonna fill them out while Sky eats his pizza. Little tour of inside. Whole bunch of wheels. You guys need wheels, you know where to go. Standout specialties. I actually like these.
Those aren't bad.
Yeah, I like those.
Those are pretty nice.
That'd be like nice for my Trans Am.
I like the color.
See, I always run this on my truck, but it's got to be a dually wheel. That's the only way. That's the only way to work.
I mean, you could get forces, but you just got to get small forces with like 37s.
Yeah.
You get ones with spines.
Or I can get these.
Yeah.
Comment below, guys. Let me know if I should put these on my dually.
Gotta get bigger. You gotta lift
30 by 14s.
Gotta lift it around. Give it a 10-inch lift.
This guy's getting ice cream. We got an ice cream machine here. Well, guys, it's been an interesting experience here at Standout Specialties Open House. Bunch of awesome vehicles, lots of good wheels inside, and he's live on TikTok right now.
Got DFR out here.
Yeah, so we're gonna be probably, fuck, my eye's messed up. I got a messed up eye right now, everybody. Ah. We're gonna get ready to end this video though, guys, and yeah, pretty much end this video. So we're gonna hop back in the truck and make that happen. All right, guys, well, end of the freaking day. Hope you all enjoyed the video, seen some cool freaking trucks, some cool freaking wheels, and had a good time. Met a lot of people out there, other YouTubers, TikTokers, stuff of that nature, guys. That was really cool. Gonna be collabing with them in the future, hopefully. On our way home right now, and just gonna chill out the rest of the day and relax, you know what I'm saying? So other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing, and deuces, guys.